it's your friend Cruz again, and since we're all stuck at home, I think it's time I fixed all my ripped clothes, starting with this one. By the way, I'm borrowing my mom's workspace. Let's go. Okay, here goes nothing. Go and put that down. The thread cut. Okay, so the thread broke, so I have to do this again. No hustle though. You have to do every single thing precisely, because one slip up messes up the whole thing. Just like this little thread. It broke, but it messed up the whole process. And it was kind of my fault because I didn't see that the thread broke. Well, you live, you learn. Just like that, your clothes are fixed, but here's the interesting part. You just have to rip those out so it doesn't show. There we go. Turn this inside out. No holes, but okay, it's always these little threads, but just rip them off. Just like that. No holes. Fix your clothes. I mean, this is actually pretty good. That's one of my clothes fixed. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. And stay safe. Find something to do while you're at home. Don't just stay there or watch TV all day or just play video games. Try to do something productive. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe or follow. See you in the next one.